In this video, I will show you step by step on how to send money to a Chinese supplier using Alipay QR code payment, step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Papi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see how you can properly send money to China using Alipay QR code payment, step-by-step tutorial. So welcome back, friends. So let's see how to send money to a Chinese supplier using Alipay QR code payment code. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you click on Alipay right here. Now the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on scan. Now the next thing you want to do is to click on album, then select the Alipay QR code, then click on done, then enter the amount you are sending to the supplier in China. And I'm sending 222 to the supplier in China, then I click on pay. So the supplier is going to get 221.05 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on confirm, then enter my payment password. You can see that payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to screenshot the payment proof right here. Then I'll head over to my WhatsApp right here and send the proof back to the person that asked me to pay the supplier in China. So I'm going to select the proof and send it to them. Payment done successful. So this is how you can send payment to your Chinese supplier using Alipay QR code payment, step-by-step tutorial with Alipay. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step-by-step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.